Today we will do the next animal, that is the tapeworm, next animal of Platyhelminthes. Two animals which are in your syllabus of Platyhelminthes, phylum Platyhelminthes. One is liver fluke and second one is tapeworm. This is one another important parasite. This is again a parasite, or its name is tapeworm. Why it is called a tapeworm? Because it has a long enormous length, मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेंथ होंदी है, which is like a tape. ਜਦੋਂ ਟੇਪ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੋਲ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਡਿੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵਾ ਕਿ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਏ ਟੇਪ ਲਾਈਕ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਨਾਓ ਇਟ ਹੈਜ਼ ਟੂ ਹੋਸਟ. One is the man, another host which is pig. This is pig. The adult that live in man and in this larval conditions, they are there. If someone take the unboiled pork, pork is pig meat, pig meat, that is called the pork. If they take the uncooked pork which contain the its larva, ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਾਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਲਾਲ ਲਾਲ ਲੁਥੜੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਸਿਸਟੀਸਿਰਸ ਤੇ, that is मतलब that pork is infected pork of the dangerous larva that is called the Cysticerus larva of tapeworm. Now as they live in the, where they live in the intestine. The intestine which contain the already digested food, there is present. साडी intestine च की हुंदा है, खाना digest ही हुंदा ना, so they have sufficient amount of digestive food, so they are ready to absorb that digested food where they are live in the intestine. As they live in the intestine, so they have sufficient amount of digestive food as a food for them. They can absorb that food, that is through villi present in the tegumentum of its outer body. Now this is clear to everyone. Next is, first is habits. They live, first is habitat. They live in the, they found in every part of the world. Or secondly, habits. First part, they take the ready-made digested food, saprophytic, so they are called saprophytic because they contain the already digestive food through the intestine of their host by the absorption through its outer body wall, that is tegumentum. Secondly, its respiration is anaerobic. Why it is anaerobic? Because it is without oxygen. It is without oxygen because they live in the intestine where there is no availability of the oxygen. Secondly, oxygen that is required by the every animal is for the energy production along with the food. They live in the intestines, they don't require much more energy for the locomotion. They only locomote in the intestinal portion, or some energy required for the taking of the food, excretion, and the other physiological activities. As we all know, they take the ready-made food. There is no energy required for the roti khani hai, pachani hai, they don't require. फिर then locomotion means एक जगह तो दूसरी जगह जाना, वो भी that is not done. The main function of its body is to reproduce. To reproduce. Reproduction is enormous. ठीक है? Reproduction, for the reproduction, the male and female, they are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite, or their reproduction takes place within the one tapeworm. Different body, its body is divided into number of small segmented part, that is called the strobila. Its body is divided into scolex, head, neck, and large part, that is called strobila. This is clear. Now we draw its body regions. Its body, main part of it is white in color. It is elongated body, 6 meter wide and 1.5 mm wide and 6 mm long, 6 millimeter long. ठीक है? और its body divided into 3 parts. केड़े केड़े? One part is called upper part. They contain the scolex. They contain the suckers. Suckers. These suckers, they are for the attachment to the body of the host. किदे विच? Alimentary intestine of the host, where they live. It is a small part, or they contain a suckers, or the lower part of it is called the neck, or this is called the suckers. They have 4 type of suckers. We will draw these all structures in detail. After that, body is divided into number of small such structures. These are called the strobila. Total body is called, this is called body. This part is called scolex, or this is strobila. As they are going downward, its size is increasing. Its size is increasing. It is present, not a straightly, it is present in a coiled manner around its body. Its last segment, they are broader one they are more broader than longer. Length is less, length is less, but broad is more. Last segment. ठीक है, it is like this. This is total is called body, or these are the strobila. Now we will do the structure one by one, or this is last segment which contain the anus. As new, these strobilas, they are formed from the neck and shed off from its last portion. Here the new one is growing on and the last one is shed off from its body. इस करके नवे उपरों बनी जाते हैं, इधरों उतरी जाते. This is all clear to everyone up to this part. Now we will do the structure of the scolex. The structure of the scolex, it is like this. It is narrow on this part. In the middle part it is a broadest part, then again toward the neck it again become narrow. ठीक है, clear है? It is a little bit triangular part. Here is 4 suckers. Four suckers. तीन ते सानू दिखदे पे है. One is on the another side, that is on the botany lap side. Write down, these are the suckers. 4 suckers. For what they are? They are for the attachment. And then neck. After the neck there is present number of segments which form the strobila, or here there are present two sets of hooks, they are for the clinging portion. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ cling कर जाना. The function of hooks is to cling, or this part is called rostrum. In practical you can see a diagram. This is neck, or this is called, what these are called proglottises. Total is called strobila. Total portion is called strobila, and there are proglottises. 3 type of proglottises are there. मैं करवावांगी तानू. The structure of this hook, it is like this. The portion which is present here, that is, it's like this. एक किदा स्ट्रक्चर है hooks. The structure of hook is made up of blade, handle, जिथों अटैच होएगा blade, handle and next hook. या इनू बेस पार्ट भी कह देने आ. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द बेस पार्ट. ठीक है, वेयर दे आर अटैच्ड. ब्लेड तिखा होएगा ना, वो इस तरह करके अटैच करेगा किहदे नाल, इंटेस्टाइनल वॉल दे नाल. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्मॉलर वन इज there are structure of there are two rows. There are two rows, एक छोटे वाले दी एक बड़े वाले दी. Structure is same, that is they are only of small in size. ये आ गया बेस, एदा भी है बेस, एक ही आ गया ब्लेड, तो एदा है handle. By the blade portion they are attached with the intestine. This is the all about the scolex. Scolex is upper portion that contain on the upper part rostrum, then 2 rows of hooks and then 4 pair of suckers. One is dorsal, another is ventral and 2 on the lateral sides. Clear है? One dorsal suckers, another is ventral sucker and 2 lateral suckers. Or strobila, that is consist of number of small segmented portion, that is called proglottises. These proglottises they are of three types. वो मैं तुहानू करावांगी, premature, mature and post mature. And their structure is different and their functions are also different and their locations are also different. So here are immature. There are mature. As its name indicates, these are the gravid. Gravid means बुढ़े. इमेच्योर जेडे जवान बच्चे हाले उन्होंने रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गनस नहीं बने दे. मैच्योर जिन्हों दे रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गनस दे आर मैच्योर व्हेन एंड दे कैन प्रोड्यूस द एग एंड स्पर्म्स. ग्रेविड their reproductive organs they are degenerate, only uterus is remain there. This is all clear. To premature, its shape is like this. Mature, their shape is they are squarish. Or gravid, they are longer. Premature, mature, and gravid. Gravid, it's longer as compared to broad. It is a squarish, it is a rectangular. चौड़ाई ज़्यादा ते लंबाई कट. Clear है? 3 type of gravids. Tomorrow we will do the structure of each gravid or total structure. On its this side there is present excretory canals. Last, there is no alimentary canal. Not at all. Alimentary canal is there. In liver fluke we have done the incomplete alimentary canal, where there is one opening for the intaking and outgoing of the food. Here there is no alimentary canal because they take the already digested food with them. Thank you. And started with the lecture of the Taenia solanum. Taenia solanum, its common name is tapeworm. Yesterday in tapeworm we have done the habitats, and as well as the body, external body structures or its external features. As we have seen in that lecture, body is divided into scolex, anterior most part, which is a circular and a smaller one, and circular which contains the upper part, that is called the rostrum. Then is the four, what they are present, four sucker glands, suckers. These suckers, its name are according to its position: dorsal, ventral and lateral suckers. And around the rostrum there are present two rows of the hooks. Two rows of the hooks. This is the structure of scolex. First part is scolex and second one is neck. And below this there is present elongated part, that is called the strobila. This strobila is consist of many such small segmented portions which are called the proglottises. The proglottises, they are of the three types. Here the new one is growing one, attached, and from last portion there these one shed off. Last one, they are shed off from the body, either one or in 6 or 7 groups, and new one is forming. These one are shedding off and these are moving downward. They are of three types. Now its category is of three types. One is immature, it is called young. Then is mature. Third one is gravid, old one, and last one, they are called the gravids. Gravid means Buddha. ठीक है? According to its shape, this younger one, that is minus of reproductive organs, minus of reproductive organ, because it is a young, it is a immature, which don't have reproductive organs, so they can't reproduce. It is a little bit, its structure is, they are broader as compared to longer. It is a rectangular, it is a longer, it is a broader as compared to longer. The mature one, they are the squarish. They are the squarish one, or they contain genital papilla. Genital papilla. For what genital papilla? This genital papilla, they contain the genital pore, from where Genital pore means female pore as well as genital papilla is a point where the female genital pore and male genital pore opens like in liver fluke. ठीक है. Then is next is gravid. Their size is, they are very much longer as compared to broader. They are the more longer as compared to broad. ठीक है. और they contain the only uterus with them which is filled of many capsules. Capsules means fertilized eggs. They contain the, that is full of the uterus. Only uterus is there. Other organs, reproductive organs, they are degenerated. And next, they contain the capsule-like structures. Capsule-like structure in it, which is, capsule means which has the egg, fertilized egg, yolk and hard membrane around them. That is called the capsule. What is the need of that hard membrane? Because in this stage they come out of the body of the host and live in a open environment. To bear that environment, open environment, they have a protective membrane that is called the cyst wall with them. This is clear to everyone. And secondly, we have started third, that is called the strobila, and this strobila is consist of number of proglottises. First younger one, they are the about 200 proglottises. Younger कितने हो गए 200 200 and next 150 they are the mature one. Next 150 next में क्या है ना समझ लेना neck तो पहला 200 young one. Next 150 to 200 250 they are the mature one. After the 250 पहले 200 अगले 200 कितने आ गए 200 तो 450 ठीक है अगले 450 के आगे mature. After that 500 to 600 they are called the gravid. Next 200 they are called the gravid one. Clear hai? Now this is all things are clear to everyone. They contain the excretory organs, flame cells, alimentary canal is absent, all absent. Now start with the its body wall. It's a body wall that is consist of tegment. That is equivalent to its epidermis. This epidermis that is called tegmentum because it is a continuation membrane. It is not made up of cellulars. It is not made up of cells like this. They are the continuation level. This is called the syncytial epidermis. What is the meaning of syncytial? Which take multinucleate body. Multinucleate body जे मान लो इन्हां दियां ए मैमब्रेन्स ना होण ते पूरी दी पूरी पट्टी नूं की कहांगे मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट. देखो ना 1 2 3 न्यूक्लियस आ गए जे इस तरह ही होर लंबी होए इट इज़ ए मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट बॉडी. क्लियर है? दिस इज कॉल्ड टिगमेंटम. द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग विच इट इज़ देयर, it has both these sides, upper end and lower end, upper end and lower end. On the upper end there are present number of finger like projections to increase the surface area. To increase the surface area for what? Absorption. Simply for the absorption of the food, of the oxygen, all the things they are absorbed by them. Although they are anaerobic respiration, but little bit if they required, they take by these things. Next is these villi, they contain a number of mitochondria in them. So that mitochondria is a energy providing, powerhouse we कहने ना. They required the energy for absorbing the food from the host intestine. They have the number of mitochondria at the end of the each villi or microvilli. Now this tegmentum, they contain the number of vacuoles and mitochondria as well as vesicles which is filled with some fluid, and another Golgi bodies, right? All the organelles, they are present in this tegmentum because it is a cell. They lose the common membranes, but it is still a cell. So they contain, their cytoplasm contain all the cellular organelles like a common cell. The other part which is important with it, it contain number of villi on the outer border to absorb the food. On the lower side, it is a lower membrane. After that, there is present, which I am darkening one, that is called the basal lamina. Basal lamina. What is this basal lamina? On which it remains there, sporting for the tegmenting. It is for the sporting of the tegmentum. This is clear. This is made up of epithelial cells, or it helps in supporting the tegmentum. After that, there is second membrane, second layer, that is called the musculature. First layer is tegmentum, second is lamella avali, basal lamina, third one is musculature. This musculature, that is consist of, as its name which provides the muscles, made up of muscles. It is made up of, majority of muscle is circular muscles which are present in the row, in the line form. This line is braked by the large cells which is present just below the musculature, which are called the bulky cells or joint cells. They are called the parenchyma cells. Their ducts, they are carried out that break these circular muscles. Otherwise they are continued. Or this circular muscles, they help in contracting the body. ठीक है? If they have some danger, they shorten their body, or sometimes its body is like this, wrapped na puri ek dusre nu. When they want to copulate, then these behind strobilas or behind proglottis come in forward to the mature proglottis. They faces each other, like मतलब इस तरह की अपने आप ਨੂੰ पोजीशन बनाते हैं ताकि मैच्योर जड़े है दे फेस टूवर्ड ईच अदर फॉर copulation. This is clear. Then is longitudinal muscles which help in regain its position. No much locomotion is there because its living area is only intestine of the human body. Lower portion, that is called the parenchyma. जिस तरह खाली जगह हो गई सारिया जिन्हों असी सीलोम कहने दैट इज़ फिल्ड विद द body cavity is filled with the large bulky cells which are called the parenchyma cell. These parenchyma cells, as they are the huge or giant cells, they contain a large nucleus and number of mitochondria, and additionally they have some stored food in the form of lipids as well as in the form of glycogen, glucose. That food is stored here like in our liver, that store the reserve food material, or they around them there are present a liquid fluid. Or it contain a fluid. So with the fluid and cell, its body is totally packed. ठीक है? This fluid and parenchyma cells, they are called the parenchyma. Collectively, cells, ducts which are arise from the parenchymal duct, that is called the parenchymal ducts which arise from the parenchyma. इधरों खाना रिजर्व फूड मटीरियल इधरों इधर एंटर करेगा. नाउ दीज टुगेदर विद फ्लूइड it is called the parenchyma which fill this body cavity which is called the coelom. So its coelom is not a true one. I think these all things are clear to everyone. Or they are open, where these ducts open, breaking this longitudinal and basal lamina, they open into the tegmentum. Tegmentum also contain number of gland cells also. Gland cells which give the lubrication to the body, or they produce some little bit digestive juice. Now start with its physiology. This is clear. It's now we will discuss the function of the body wall. What is the function of body wall? Can anybody tell? Quickly. As the presence of villi, it increase the surface area for what? To increase the absorption from the host cell या organ where it is present, mean it is present in the nucleus which is already digested food. As they contain the already digested food, they don't need to digest the food. Second, other function. The musculature layer that provides the locomotion for expansion and contraction of the cell body, matlab total length. Next is, what is its other function?